In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Roblox cursor. So the first thing you want to do is download a cursor which you would like to put into Roblox and swap it with your default cursor. So the way you do this is one way is to type in icons 8 into Google, which is a website with different icons and cursors, and then simply go into that website, which is icons8.com, and over here you want to type in cursor, press enter. And as you can see, you can choose any cursor over here you would like, okay? So we can choose any one, but for this instance, I'm going to pick, let's say, this one, okay? Now, you want to click on this cursor over here. You want to press download, and then make sure you have custom size over here selected and type in 164, and then it's going to be 164 by 164, okay? So make sure you have the 64 by 64 selected up here, and then custom size of 164 by 164 as well. Then what you want to do is press download, which will download the cursor for you, okay? And you want to move this to the side and go inside your downloads folder on your computer over here. As you can see, I'm in here. You want to double click on what you just downloaded, select these two and put them onto your desktop, okay? And as you can see, you can close this down. They've been now put in my desktop. Now, the next thing you should do is simply find your Roblox player wherever you have it on your computer, right-click on it, click Open File Location. And now once you're in here, you want to go inside Content, and then inside Textures, and then find Cursors, okay? And now once you're in here inside Cursors, as you can see, there are different folders. You want to go inside the keyboard mouse. And once you double click on it, you'll see that there are different, kind of 3 different icons, which are the default icons for Roblox in here. Now, what you want to do to change these is simply rename these 2 files we've just downloaded the same as these 2 in here inside the Roblox folder, okay? And the way you do this is simply by clicking on this down here and making it highlighted, right-click, copy. You want to go up here to the first icon, click on its name, right-click, paste, there we go. And then you want to go over here again to the arrow for cursor, right-click, copy, go up here, and then right-click, paste, and there we go. You've done the first part. What you then want to do is highlight these 2 cursors up here that you've just downloaded and put them inside this folder. It's going to ask you to replace or skip files. You want to click replace the files in the destination. And now once you press this, it will automatically put in your cursors, okay? And now you can close this all down, open up your Roblox app, and you'll see that your cursors have been replaced and customized.